What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I will be on TikTok once again, showing you how you can change or add your pronouns onto your TikTok profile. Now basically all this is going to do is just make it so that your pronouns appear below your TikTok profile, and of course there's a long list that you could choose from. This is kind of a new feature that they added, so I wouldn't be surprised if you don't know where it's at. But of course, the first step is opening up your TikTok app and then heading over to your profile. In the bottom right hand corner, there's a little profile icon. And once you're in there, you're going to hit the edit profile button, which is right below your profile pic. And it's going to come up with a bunch of different options for what you could do here. But it's actually going to show up in the fourth text option down. It'll be your name, your username, and then your link for your profile. And then right below that is an option to enter in your pronouns. And it's just going to give a text box here. And there isn't a ton of customization that they could do, but they do have hundreds of preset options there, and you do have to choose one of them, but you should be able to find exactly what you're looking for there. And then once you set it, you can see at the top of the screen there, right below your name, they are listed there for everybody to see. That is pretty much all there is to it though. You could head in and change them whenever you'd like using the same method. If you did have any questions though, be sure to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.